It's a rainy day morning today. And today we're going to show you how to prepare a healthy crackers using our Saladmaster machine. So this is a fresh Parmesan cheese. We're gonna grate it. Okay, we're gonna shred it using our phone number 1 Saladmaster machine. Ano yung magandang benefit dito? Of course, less yung chemical process na kasi whole cheese. Ikaw na lang ang magagaya. As you can see, it's so quick. No? So, we save time, our money, and our health. So, for you to be able to enjoy some good cheese, a healthy cheese, ikaw na lang ang mag-grate. So, we need 1 cup of the grated fresh Parmesan cheese. And then, we also need 1 cup blanched almond flour. Okay, that's all we need. And then, i-blender natin to, lalagyan ng spices, and then we're gonna bake it later sa ating electric skillet. That's only it. So, see you later! Right, ang bilis talaga ng Saladmaster machine. Next step, we're gonna add the almond flour. And we're gonna season it with pink Himalayan salt. There's a dash of it. Kasi, maalat-alat na ho yung ating cheese. And then, ako po, lalagyan ko po siya ng Italian seasoning. So, we're gonna put some Italian seasoning. If you want your crackers with herbs, yan, much more healthier. And then, we're gonna bake this later, no? So, i-blender lang ho ito. And then, lalagay sa parchment paper at i-bake natin later. Okay, so i-blender ko lang po. Guys, mag-aan pa pala tayo. May nakalimutan ako. Kailangan natin lagyan ng 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Again, mas healthy po ito kasi less ang nilagay na preservatives kapag whole cheese na sinashred sa ating Saladmaster machine. So, sobrang bilis. Ganyan ka pag gusto yung Saladmaster machine, no? Hindi lang po cheese, vegetables, fruits, even yung chocolate, we can process it very, very quickly. So we're done. I'm just gonna put this on a blender. We're gonna pulse it and then later, again, sabi ko nga, we're gonna layer it and then bake it sa 12-inch cake. Alright, we're done. And let's check it. Wow! There's our healthy cheese crackers. Homemade po, healthy home cook. Using our Saladmaster electric skillet. Now we're gonna flip it over our plate and then we're gonna slice it na and let it cool for about 30 minutes before we eat it.